In this video, I'll show you how to deploy a site from Lovable. First, open your web browser and sign into your Lovable account. Open the project you want to publish and make sure your latest changes have been saved. Next, test your application using the built-in preview. Verify that your pages, navigation, forms, and other features are working correctly before deploying. Now, click the Publish or Deploy button in the top right corner of the project. Lovable will begin preparing your application for deployment. After that, choose the deployment option if you're prompted. You can publish the project using a Lovable-generated domain or connect it to an external hosting platform if your project supports additional deployment options. Next, wait for the deployment process to finish. Once it's complete, Lovable will provide a live URL where your website is available online. Open the link and test your site on both desktop and mobile devices to make sure everything is working as expected. Finally, whenever you make updates to your project, publish or deploy it again so your latest changes are reflected on the live website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deploy a site from Lovable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.